Hi, I'm Elisa Keaton, the founder of Revelation Wellness, and I'm excited to invite you to register for our upcoming in-person Rest and Rebuild retreat. And it's open to everyone. Whether you've been active in the Revelation Wellness community for years or just discovered us, this retreat is for you, and it's unlike any other spiritual retreat you've experienced. If you've been walking through a dry season, feeling lonely and anxious, with no one pouring into you, you are certainly not alone. Come away with us as we show you how to rest and rebuild your mind, body, and spirit. At Rest and Rebuild, you will immerse your whole self into the love of Jesus. You will also spend time with others who love Jesus and yet sometimes struggle to feel loved. That struggle, it's a mind-body disconnect thing, something we here at Revelation Wellness are on mission to help address. Everything we create is designed to strengthen your mind-body connection so you can love God and others with your whole self, and you can stay peaceful even in the most difficult of times. Each day of our Rest and Rebuild retreat will include movement for all fitness levels, Bible study, worship, workshops for biblical discipleship, rest from your everyday life, spiritual practices, healthy and whole community, and healthy, nourishing meals that you don't have to prepare. Rest and Rebuild will help us grow together so we can return to our communities encouraged, refreshed, and ignited to live out God's good plan for our whole lives from a place of rest and not striving. If you want an opportunity to be known and loved in a deeper way and to return home to impact the world with the light and love of Jesus, you belong here. Space is limited. Register for your spot at Rest and Rebuild today.